Welcome back to Vibes with E. You're watching me. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and post notification bell so you won't miss when I post. And if you return a subscriber, what it'll do, boo. And today, just come on, y'all. We finna go.
Girl, you too friendly. You just care about money and business. Girl, you know it's not on me, it's in me. Shawty know she got that, but she's skinny. Slow, baby, let me take control. I got a feeling that you might be. Love it when I flip down. Hey, I told you two rights at the light, make a left way. And you already know. Parking the visitor.
Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, so fuck it, this morning I got you. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations, I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing, the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the pictures that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Family been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me the...
Hey y'all, so plans changed. I was gonna go to the pumpkin patch, but I ended up coming to this like hiking spot, or just chilling right here, getting some sun. I should have brought like my journal here so I could sit and journal out some stuff. But yeah, I'm cooling. I really have a boring ass life, y'all. Like I have the most, oh my goodness, and it's fall time. Like I only like fall because the trees get to start changing colors, but once it start getting cold, I'm cool. But I just forgot what I was talking about. See, I get so sidetracked so quick. Oh, I was talking about how boring my life is, because my life is boring as shit, G. Like I find the most uninteresting shit interesting. So it's like, I don't know. It probably don't even be uninteresting for real. It's just like people in my generation will find that shit like boring or lame as hell, cause everybody too busy clubbing, focused on partying and shit like that. And I'm just out here in nature, living it the fuck up. Like, cause I only get one lifetime to experience everything. I think I'm gonna go home. I was gonna go skating. I don't know if I want to go skating still or not. And I was supposed to take myself out to eat, but I really only want to take myself out to eat because of this one restaurant I want to go to that got churros and fried ice cream. Like really low energy today, and I should not be vlogging or trying to vlog today because I just feel like really like out of it. But I'll update y'all. So why the fuck this motherfucking car gonna zoom their ass right next to me and park right next to me while I'm just trying to chill and take pictures and shit? It's just be like, what the fuck? Why, out of all these motherfucking parking spots, bitch, out of all these motherfucking parking spots, you could have parked anywhere and you parked your ass right next to me? Like, make it make sense, please, please, please. This shit is so irritating. I'm just gonna go home. Don't do too much. Kissing on me, kissing on me. Kissing on me, kissing on me.
So pretty, girl, you be
In a gallery. What's your fantasy?
And if y'all both are on
completely two different knowledges about why it's how it is right now. It's time to let it go, because they got lost in the tracks. Like, say y'all started here, you're here. They got lost somewhere in the middle where you're already up here, so they don't even understand what the fuck you're talking about because they're still behind you. Tell y'all what I was gonna do. This part of the vlog, the first half of this vlog, is gonna be all over the place. I just finished taking out my hair and I think I'm gonna dye it a new color. Not today, but soon. I look like a whole clown. Fucking paint my nose red and put me in the circus, bitch. Anyways, this hair color is really looking real bad. Like, the ends is faded out now, and now you can only see that, like, my roots is orange and then it goes to this like light pink now, and I don't like that. And my roots is already growing back, y'all see? But yeah, I'm gonna just do this hairstyle that I seen on TikTok. It's like 4 bantu knots in the front and then a ponytail in the back with 2 like strings hanging in the front. So I'm gonna try that with my natural hair. She did it with some weave, but ain't no weave gonna match this hair color that I got in my head. So I'm just gonna have to do this with my natural hair. I'm gonna wash and blow dry my hair and straighten it, and then I'm gonna whip up the style. Today I just woke up and forced myself to get up and do something and get out the house. So yeah, tomorrow part of the vlog will be better. But yeah, I'm gonna probably come on camera and do my hair with y'all. Probably not the blow dry process because it's just blow drying my damn hair. Gee. I'm so tired, and it's not even late though. Like, it's only 9 o'clock. So yeah, I'll be back when I'm doing that. Oh my goodness, I look a hot mess. I look like I'm really a part of the circus. Like, this is not cute at all. This is not cute at all. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna do my hair and I'll be back. Oh shit. Hey y'all, I didn't come back after I told y'all I was gonna wash and blow dry my hair. Well, I washed and blow dry my hair and I put it in these 2 braids because I didn't feel like flat ironing it and then doing the hairstyle and having to sleep on the hairstyle and then try to fix it when I wake up. So I'ma just wait and do that hairstyle when I get home or whatever. But today I challenged myself to see if like I could manage my time good, and I really did good for me to wake up late. Like, I had to be somewhere at 11 o'clock. It's 10:59 and I got out the bed at like 9:40, kind of shower, brush my teeth, get myself together, and I'm on time, bitch. I'm on time. Like, I love that for me. But yeah, if you know me, you know I'm always late to wherever. Like, late as fuck to wherever I gotta be. So yeah, creating new and better habits on the whole. What you talking about? In the cut with my twin, we be vibing. Wait, I was finna say sexy bitch. Classy bitch, but you know I be outside with it. These whores can't fuck with me. No, but I'm gonna cut back to y'all. Oh, let me tell y'all the agenda for today, because we got a set agenda for today. So I gotta work, and then after that I gotta go get, oh my goodness, I'm talking so fast. After that I gotta go get an oil change, and I gotta go get a car wash. Hold up, I made a list because my mind be forgetting what I need to do for the day. Like, motherfuckers literally go to work and then go home, shower, and go to bed. Like, but oil change, car wash, and I need to find me a tripod for this camera. I think that's all I have to do for today. And today is Saturday. I really should be outside with it. Classy bitch, but you know I'll be outside with it. But no, I don't really want to be outside at the moment. I need to get myself together because motherfuckers have been sick as hell for no reason. Well, I know it's the reason behind why I'm sick. It's because I keep on eating like terrible. Like, my diet is terrible. Like, I could go weeks without, let me not say without eating, but I could go weeks with only eating like a meal a day, and then next thing you know I'm eating like damn near 3 meals a day of random shit. So it's just like I gotta get this shit together and find a routine with what I'm eating. But yeah, I'm just creating new routines, new habits for myself to get myself on a more steady track. I'm at the oil change place. Finna get an oil change, y'all. Finna get an oil change on the car. So we getting shit done. We getting shit done. After I get the oil change, I'm gonna go clean out the car and get a car wash because this car is dusty. This car is dusty. It needs a car wash. So yeah, take care of your motherfucking responsibilities before you try and go and have fun. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. And bitch, I ain't just talking about you. I'm talking about myself too. Gotta take care of my responsibilities and my priorities before I try to have fun. But like, fun is different for me than it is for y'all. But yeah, we love a bitch that take care of her responsibilities and does the adult things, you know?
From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that nigga drive the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grizz. She thought I would kiss her ass, she must ain't took a mess. Shit around my nigga, cost her arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him get me prick. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she's got a pop.
I don't know. Toriana, Monique. Tiana, Shanice, Krista, Unique, India, Harry. Nameless, are you nameless? Nameless, are you nameless? Nameless, are you nameless? Nameless, are you nameless? Painless, are you painless? Painless, are you painless? Only time I call when it's raining. How you for my dog and you a human? I'ma give you some of my shame, you need some more. Talk to me, yeah, but what's her name? I don't know. Am I recovering from amnesia? Whoa, put it in the belly, but the name ain't Keisha. No, so I make her sick by the name ain't Keisha Cole. I could've swore your name was Ashley. My nigga said your name was Mallory. On the tip of my tongue, I know it's Tiffany. Oh, and my cell phone ain't with Sprint. Now it ain't with Sprint now. But I got you on a speed dial. So I got you on a speed dial.
Boy needs a little love. If he put it down, I'ma pick it up. A scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying. If he put it down, I'ma pick it up. Always talking about what he wants. Every good girl needs a little thug. What it is, ho, what's up? Every good girl needs a little thug. Every black boy needs a little love.
That's where I got the inspiration of this hairstyle from. Not too much, not too much. But yeah, I'm finna do my makeup or whatever, and then I'll see if it's giving what it's supposed to give. But yeah, y'all, that's the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all comment though, cause y'all don't be engaging with me, and let me know what type of videos y'all want to see. But that's the end of this. I did not want to start recording, but oh my goodness, I keep on recording, G.
Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck.
No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no.
Survive all the time. It's a vibe.